Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, there is a lot coming out with XRP. It's literally still trending from last week's victory. Absolutely bullish. So we're going to go through a whole heap of stuff to do with XRP and Ripple. And yes, there is a new report that's just come out literally today, which basically says that cross-border payments will grow in the vicinity of $250 trillion by the year 2027, which is insane. So we're going to have a little bit of fun with my favorite coin perspective right here and have a play around with the market cap. And we've got XRP obviously outperforming Bitcoin, which is really nice as well, guys. It really is. Now, we've also got Kathy Woods coming out with some pretty crazy price predictions for Bitcoin as well. 1.5 million US dollars, which is wild. Going to be talking about the Litecoin halving as well. Solana, obviously opening doors to Ethereum right here, which is interesting now with the Neon EVM integration. So we're going to go through that, and Hedera hash graph, and obviously some updates in relation to FTX and the Australian Securities and Exchange Commission here. Not that anyone cares about FTX at the moment, guys. Anyway, it's just a disaster. But anyway, let's get into everything, guys, because there's a lot to talk about. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. I just hit 59,000 subscribers. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it, honestly. And if you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are about to get pretty wild in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through. It would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic. When you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, okay? Make sure you give it a good thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right. Formalities are out of the way, guys. And yes, I do apologize if I'm sounding a little bit croaky. I have not been well the last couple of days, so I'm just still taking it easy. Probably just copped it because of the weekend. Probably a little bit too much celebrating. So yeah, I'm paying for it now. But anyway, guys, it happens to the best of us. Anyway, this is from the report, okay? And this is the new report that's come out today. You can actually sign up to Ripple's website to get access to this. You will need to put your organization, your name, contact details to get access to this report. However, there's been some incredible people on Twitter that have gotten access to this. But anyway, basically $250 trillion by the year 2027, which is absolutely wild. But look at this. But underlying infrastructure that moves money from one account to another has vast room for improvement. And the potential for blockchain and crypto to modernize the underlying payment rails has captured the attention of financial leaders around the world. This just gets wild. But the value of cross-border payments is expected to reach $250 trillion by the year 2027. And the advantages of global payments powered by crypto are obviously readily apparent, which is absolutely wild. And we're going to do some numbers. I know everyone just goes a bit crazy when I do it, but I don't care. I'm going to have some fun. I've been talking about Ripple and XRP for 2.5 years. I think I can have some fun with it now. All right, guys. And obviously, we've got a dormant pre-mine address containing 61,216 Ethereum valued at 116 million US dollars has just been activated after 8 years. I just want to point out as well, 6 years ago, Ethereum was 97 cents. So somebody got in very early. That's wild right now. And of course, we've got XRP has surpassed Bitcoin in accounting right here for 21% of total crypto trading volume after the win against the SEC. Trading volume hit nearly $25 billion in 4 days and recorded its largest volume in the past, obviously, 1.5 years. I mean, I knew this was coming. I've been saying it for 2.5 years on my channel. It's just too big. And again, all those people that fudded out and said, oh, you guys are just ridiculous. Well, come on. Anyway, not going to comment or judge, put it that way. Top altcoins in my portfolio this afternoon, we had Kin, XRP, XLM, Ubix Network, and Hedera. It's nice to see XRP making some moves today as well. And I did dollar cost average. Again, I'm just still continuing to do it every single week. But anyway, let's go to Coinspot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. They are an official partner of the channel. So thank you, Coinspot, as well as OKX, two of the great exchanges. Now, again, if you are new to cryptos in Australia, there are referral links below for this stuff. So please feel free to use them. If you are obviously wanting to sign up to Coinspot, you will get $10 in Bitcoin. And of course, with this stuff, do your own research and due diligence. Now, Bitcoin's up slightly today in the green, $44,900. Ethereum's at $2,800. XRP, 6.28% today to $1.19. Really, really nice. Australian, by the way. Just making that very clear. And again, it's still incredibly cheap. Very cheap, in my opinion. Now, Cardano's at 47 cents. Solana as well, $39. Matic's $1.12. Litecoin, $140. When the halving happens, guys, in August, we could see this absolutely go parabolic, but we'll have to wait and see about that one. Polkadot, $7. We've got Chainlink, $10. Hedera as well at 8 cents, up 3.75% today. And of course, VeChain doing absolutely nothing for 2 years. I'm still bullish on the project. Right now, under 3 cents. We've got Quant at $152. And again, this has pretty much been a stable coin at this level. It's really annoying. Algorand as well, 17 cents. We've got Theta, $1.17. Axie at $9, up 1.76% today. We've got Pepe as well. Now, my bot in the Patreon, which is linked below, by the way, is doing incredibly well. Like, it's one of my best performing bots. So again, even though I think the whole hype is sort of fizzled out a little bit, it's still trading really nice as well. So again, just from a purely making money perspective. Anyway, go join up in the Patreon as linked below. I just opened up a new bot with XRP today. IOTA's at 28 cents. You've got XDC as well, 5 cents. Casper at 5 cents. Both undervalued gems, in my opinion, as well as XLM. I think XLM is going to be doing quite well. Now, let's go to crypto bubbles. And yes, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. They are in the comments. I've pinned them and also in the description. Again, I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my crypto trading indicators, my day trading as well, which is incredible, and also the news before I go live on the channel. More importantly, dividend investing, which provides me cash flow every single month. That is part of my whole diversification philosophy there, guys. Just you have to be diversified in this investment world right now. But again, it's a very, very bullish community and it is growing, as you can see right there. So thank you to those 231 members. You guys absolutely rock. So join up. I love talking with everyone in there directly, which is awesome as well. And I can offer a lot more stuff on Patreon than I can on the YouTube channel because, again, it would be considered financial advice. But anyway, I'm only putting up there what's making me money. And it's going quite well at the moment. So again, link is below. Join up, guys. You will not regret it. Crypto bubbles. Let's have a look. And of course, we've got our favorite XRP up 5% today, 65 on the week, still up 119% on the year, which is just insane. 78 cents USD today. And again, it peaked at around 81 this afternoon. So again, that was its top. It's just teasing that $1 level. So again, we're going to soar past that anyway when the Bitcoin bull market just full swing is in motion right here. It's going to get wild. XLM as well, 8.5%, 13 cents. This literally follows XRP like crazy. It's basically a fork of it anyway when you think about it. But 41% on the week, 72 on the month, and still up 22% on the year. Can't complain about that. Now, of course, we've got Dow. I have no idea what the hell this is, guys. It's at 55 cents. I'm not really interested. We have Cardano as well, 2.6%, 31 cents. Let me know in the comments below if you're still trying to accumulate Cardano. I am very bullish on this project again. It's a no-brainer in my opinion for the portfolio. That's why I hold it. And of course, Hedera, 2.3% again, 5 cents right now. Very undervalued. There are some updates with this. We'll have a look at that in a moment. And of course, Litecoin, guys, 1.7% on the day. $92 at the moment, still up 63% on the year. The halving event next month is going to be very, very interesting, so keep a close eye on that one, all right? Moving on, let's go to some news. We've got Ripple XRP continues to lead the alt rally as it outperforms Bitcoin. Now, again, if this happens, meaning it would overtake Ethereum, which I believe is going to happen, it's going to get pretty wild. Now, XRP trades exceeded Bitcoin in the last week following the groundbreaking ruling that Ripple did not violate federal securities laws by selling the token on public exchanges. And following last week's ruling that Ripple did not violate the federal securities law by selling its XRP token on public exchanges, 21% of all trades completed in the market since then have been for XRP. Crypto research right here, Keiko, found in a new report, the decision from the US District Judge Annalisa Torres, legend, by the way, propelled XRP to gain over 70% within 24 hours of the verdict, displacing Binance Coin BNB right here, and from the leading four cryptocurrencies in terms of market cap. At the present time, XRP's market cap stood at around $38 billion. This just goes to show how early we are when you think about it. Now, I'm going to have some fun with this. I'm allowed to have some fun. I've been talking about XRP for 2.5 years. Anyway, let's just have a bit of fun right now, all right? Let's try it out. If in 2027 it has a total market cap of $250 trillion, which is just insane, but let's just have a look at a bit of fun right here. Let's just do it for example. We've got 250K, million, we've got billion right here, trillion, 250 trillion. That would put XRP at a value of $4,757.91. Now, I mean, it just makes you think, did Jimmy Val, when he was putting out all these insane price predictions of it going to like $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, anything's possible, right? I hope you guys can see that now, considering that they, I should say, Ripple won the lawsuit, obviously against the SEC. Anyway, I think this is definitely possible. And again, the world population is only growing, and the demand for cross-border payments is growing ever so quickly as well, guys. And yes, we're all going digital. Cash is going to become non-existent. Fiat is going to become non-existent. We're all tap and go these days. Tap, 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 tap. By the way, I think if you tap, there's like an additional fees as opposed to inserting the card and actually putting your PIN in. Can someone confirm that? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious. Anyway, guys, let's move on. We've got, again, XRP 60% weekly gain defies broader crypto slump as Bitcoin stalls below 30K, which is interesting as well. And Ripple's XRP outperformed most cryptocurrencies on Tuesday as the initial market-wide rally following last Thursday's lawsuit ruling has seemingly fizzled out. And the native token of Ripple payment system was best performer among the top 25 crypto assets. And it will still be the best performer when you think about it. Now, I'm going to go into this, guys, because this is pretty crazy. Now, when you've got Bitcoin right here, 40 to 50,000 US dollars ahead of the next halving event, which is pretty crazy. But enthusiasts away from the flagship cryptocurrency's fourth block reward halving, obviously you can see here, expected around April 24th, 2024, speculation is mounting about the potential, obviously, impact on the cryptocurrency's price. A popular anonymous analyst has now suggested Bitcoin could surge to 40,000 US dollars, or even 50,000 US dollars ahead of it. What do you think about that? So I think Bitcoin was around about 60,000 US dollars, which was around about $90,000 at the peak of the bull market. I think things are going to be a lot bigger this time around. And of course, you've got Cathie Wood talking about $1.5 million for one Bitcoin. That would simply put Michael Saylor at the top of the rich list. Like, insane. It'll be just wild. Anyway, ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood is bullish on Bitcoin, pointing to her firm's internal analysis to illustrate her optimistic outlook. Our bull case, I think, is $1.5 million per coin. And the best case is 625,000 US dollars, something like that. Wood said during a recent Bloomberg interview, she went on to explain that her confidence in this prediction has risen due to the regional bank crisis that took place in March. Anyway, I think if this happens, guys, get ready because, if XRP flips Ethereum again, it's going to take 19% of that total market. So it's just going to be wild. Seriously, it's going to be crazy. Now, we've got FTX as well. The Australia Securities Regulator cancels FTX's license here for local arm. Unbelievable. I hope this guy gets arrested and I hope the people get their money back. Now, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, has revoked the license of FTX as Australian subsidiary, a cryptocurrency exchange offering services for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all other cryptocurrencies. And the cancellation will take effect on July 14th, which is only a couple of days before. It is the 19th of July. So again, this has only just come out. So there you go. FTX is in deep SHIT here in Australia. Litecoin price prediction as the halving event approaches. Can Litecoin reach $1,000? And again, the Litecoin price has risen by a slight 0.5% in the past 24 hours. Yet it's more obviously moved to $91.77 still means it's down by 6% in the last 7 days. And despite its negative response to the ruling in the Ripple SEC case, which harmed other Bitcoin forks, Litecoin remains up 18% in the last 30 days and obviously by 57% in the past year. And it's possible that the altcoin will see further gains in the next few weeks as the market anticipates the next Litecoin halving, which is due early next month. Can it reach $1,000? Potentially. If there is enough adoption right here and a lot of people talking about it, potentially we could see Litecoin hit that level, but we'll have to see where that goes. Now, Hedera, again, Hedera Hashgraph token right here jumped on Tuesday. South Korea's Shinhan Bank completed its IEST stablecoin remittance using Hedera, and it completed the real-time transaction with Taiwan's SCB TechX, which is nice as well. And the news right here, Hedera Hashgraph is leading challenger to Ethereum. And it's blockchain that is faster speeds and low transaction costs, unlike Ethereum. Obviously, transactions in its ecosystem completed within seconds while having a fraction of the cost. In a statement, the developers said that the Shinhan Bank, a leading company in South Korea, had successfully piloted the first stablecoin remittance on the Hedera network. And the bank did that in collaboration with SCB TechX, a large financial institution in Taiwan. There you go. The banking coins, guys, they are all there. Now, we've got Solana as well, opens doors to Ethereum developers with Neon EVM integration, which is interesting. And the Neon EVM seeks to bridge the gap between Ethereum and Solana's computing models right here, opening doors for Ethereum dApps to leverage the efficiency and technical capabilities of Solana for transaction settlements. I wonder why, because Ethereum is just too freaking expensive. It does my head in. The gas fees are ridiculous. Sorry. Moving on, guys. I want to get through this because I don't want to keep this video too long right now. We've got money flowing into the following coins right here. We have XRP, which is nice. Bitcoin, XLM, Bitcoin Cash, I believe that is. Optimism. What else we got here, guys? We've got Ethereum, ALGO as well. Render, Synthetics, VeChain, which is interesting. Solana. Some good coins as well as Hedera down here. Very, very nice as well. So let's go to Twitter, ladies and gentlemen. We'll have a quick look at this. Yes, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Go follow me on there. Thank you to those 5,143 people. You guys absolutely rock. Make sure you check the blue check mark as well, guys, because, again, there's a lot of fake accounts. Excuse me. All right, so yes, this is a bull ring. I'm giving this away when I hit 100,000 subs. I need another 50,000, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. Now, Bitcoin bull market begins. Bear markets only last 800 days. Again, we could potentially see Bitcoin go to 300K, so it just makes Cathie Wood's prediction not so crazy when you think about it. This is the actual report on my Twitter page. You can go download the new Ripple report, have a full read of this. You've got to sign up for it, of course. Now, we've got presidential candidate Robert Kennedy Jr. announcing plan to back the dollar with Bitcoin. Have a listen to this quickly.
The Zoom call, and I want to at Bitcoin 2023. I mentioned a number of commitments that I was making to the Bitcoin community. My uncle, President Kennedy, when he was in office, understood the importance of hard currency and the importance and the dangers of having pure fiat currency with no other option. He created silver certificates. He created gold certificates. They were laid after his death. Those were discontinued. But he understood the relationship between fiat currency and war, fiat currency, and environmental, large-scale, very, very destructive environmental projects, and also these giant aggregations of wealth and the unbalance, the disparities in wealth that are ultimately the ultimate yield of every fiat currency, and then also the threat to America from the inflation, and ultimately the destruction of the dollar.
Anyway, go watch the full interview there. It's 8 minutes long. It's pretty full on. Tim, thank you for this tweet, mate. I really appreciate it. Have a listen to this.
Years of controversy. Ripple's XRP token is deemed not a security, according to a federal judge, when sold to retail investors.
Very, very nice. How good is that? Yes, this is FedNow actually integrating with XRP. Again, FedNow and XRP, which is interesting as well. Go and have a read of that on my Twitter page. It's basically saying, according to the recent reports, the Federal Reserve has recognized the potential of XRP in facilitating the blockchain aspect of the FedNow payment system. There you go. Now, we've got Rep, obviously, Richie Torres right here. Judge Annalisa Torres' decision in the Ripple case establishes what I call the Torres Doctrine, rejecting SEC Chair Gary Gensler's indiscriminate assault on crypto. Interesting. And obviously got BrettonWoods.org. The security issues with crypto, ISO 222 is an aid right here in fighting money laundering. It mentions Ripple right here. And of course, you can read it. Currently, there are several crypto service providers that use ISO 222 compliance standards, such as Ripple. Bullish. You got BlackRock obviously made this chart and said, let's buy Bitcoin. You can see right here, it's just right there. Everything else has just soared, but Bitcoin is still early. Absolutely wild. Now, BlackRock, Fidelity, Wisdom Tree, Van Eck, Invesco, Spot Bitcoin ETF applications will be added to the Federal Register tomorrow. That's from Bloomberg. That is absolutely wild. Yes, Kathy Woods, $1.5 million Bitcoin price prediction. You've got Judge Netburn and Judge Torres. Two incredible women. Thank you very much. We really appreciate what you've done. It's incredible. And again, we've got LCX, one of my coins on my banking list again. XRP is a digital asset and cryptocurrency that was created by Ripple Labs in 2012 to facilitate fast and low cross-border transactions. And again, it's an interesting thread by LCX. Now let's have a look again. Another video from Tim. Thank you very much. And we'll end up on this.
Ruling on Thursday, XRP is up about 60%, gaining about 2% in today's session, Matt.
All right, well, Ripple's victory is being celebrated by the market by trading more of it than any other coin. Here you can see the market share of different coins in trading volume put together by Keiko Trade Data. You can see that, of course, half is the thousands and thousands of altcoins that we don't really even know the names of. Then you've got 8%, which is Ether. 20% is the OG Bitcoin, which typically rules supreme in terms of trading volume for one single coin. But now XRP has overtaken it, which I think is pretty amazing. Bloomberg Intelligence says this decision by the court is among the more important cases for determining regulatory authority over crypto assets. That's a lose for the SEC. Listen to what some of our guests.
Very, very nice. Absolutely bullish. The US SEC will start approval processes for spot Bitcoin ETFs from tomorrow. Gary Gensler. Anyway, moving on. Ripple has been recognized in the Fortune's top 100 workplaces for millennials in 2023. Legends. Absolutely awesome. Now we've got the total market cap at 1.2 trillion US dollars, $32 billion in volume, 48% BTC, 19% Ethereum, 26,349 cryptocurrencies. Only 2 of those have regulatory clarity. That's insane. Now, again, this is my altcoin list, my full portfolio. Again, this goes up in the Patreon every single morning when I'm even half asleep. I still put it up because that's commitment. And yes, of course, XRP is up 5% today, which is really, really nice. And yes, my focus is the banking coins. I think everyone should have a banking coin list, in my opinion. Yes, there are Bitcoin, obviously Ethereum, XRP, all of these juicy coins right here, which is insane. But XRP, XDC, Casper, all of these coins I'm very bullish on. Anyway, that is it, guys. Also, I forgot to show you as well my crypto trading bots. Again, if my app wants to work right here, again, OKX, official partner of the channel. I just opened up a new long position here on XRP, which is nice. I've got Monero. I've got Pepe as well, 113% return, which is nuts. Lido's at 40% as well. Arbitrum right here, 77%. And Ethereum, 11.14% as well. So again, that is in the Patreon linked below. Join up, guys. You'll get some pretty insightful stuff in there, all right? Anyway, that is it. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Make sure you join the Patreon. I'll speak to everyone in the comments, community tab. Stay safe. Have a good night, a good evening, and a good morning, and I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. All right, guys? Peace out. Bye.